Hello everybody, today I'm making Zeppole di San Giuseppe. We put the gas on and we got the water. Okay, now the water started to boil a little bit and we put the butter. The butter now gotta melt and we gotta put a pinch of salt. Only like this, not too much. That's it. They melt all together, the butter with the water. Okay, now we start with the flour. So you want you can put the flour at one time, but I like to do a little bit at a time, because it come out much better. And we start now with the flour. Make sure the beer on low. Oh, look nice creamy. And now I use the wood spoon. I want to make us really good now. Look at that. Look how beautiful it look already. Okay, now this you gotta cool off. And make sure it's cold. And I want to do the eggs one by one. You never know. Maybe you got a little shell or maybe the eggs is not good. And we crack the first one. Okay, the first one it come out really good. And now we put inside over here and we make us really good now. Each one you do, make sure the mix really good. Look, see, it gotta be like this. And still I got 2 more eggs. And like this, we gotta start to do the zeppole. Okay, now this is all mix good. And let's pour, this is in Italy we call saccapo. And we put right inside. And the oven is on already, 400 degrees. Okay, now we start to make the zeppole. Okay, now this is all done. Now you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. It's go in the oven. Be good, zeppole. Okay, now it's 30 minutes. And now, let's see my zeppole. It look really good. And now, this is gotta be cold. Because it's too hot. When I put the decoration on the top, it melt everything. It gotta cool off now. Okay, my zeppole now it's cold. And now we gotta do the decoration on the zeppole. Now let's do with the heavy cream over here. Now see, you don't got the machine, you can do by hand. I told you the truth, I like to do by hand. But now I got a machine, let's do. Go a little fast. La la, e Pasquale sta qua. Okay, now this is almost done, a little bit more. I wanted to come really nice thick. When I put on the top, I want to fell everything. Now, so this is the heavy cream. You mix it too much, it come out the butter. And you gotta watch when you do this, okay? Okay, now this is ready. Let's turn off. And now it's time for the mascarpone. And this you gotta be mixed really slow. Okay, now we put the whipped cream and mascarpone right inside this bag. And I want to do the decoration, the zeppole. And look at this, how beautiful it comes. Now we put the cherry. Okay, now the zeppole is done. And now, let me taste my zeppole. Look. You see a big hole? Really good though. Really good. Somebody make this and you let me know. It's delicious. This is Zeppole di San Giuseppe.